Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change password on your Dex Trade mobile application. To change your Dex Trade account's password, go ahead and open the Dex Trade application and make sure that you are logged in. After you are inside the home page of Dex Trade, tap on the menu button at the bottom right hand corner. After you do that, go ahead and tap on My Profile button. Under My Profile, click on Security. After you open up the security interface, go to the top of the screen and tap on Account and click on the pencil icon right next to Password. Now, in the next page, you will need to type down your old password in the first tab. After you type in your old password, go to the next field and enter the new password you are trying to change to. Repeat the new password once again in the last field. And finally, click on Confirm. Doing this will change your password to a new one. And that is how you easily change password on your Dex Trade account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.